Step 3. Step 3, you're going to want 4 of your blue grommets, item 9, P1010. You're going to want 4 of the shoulder screws. This would be item 10, 257924 is the part number. And then you're going to want as well the motor bracket. This is item number 2 and part number MD2040. So, first part of this step is just going to want to slide the blue grommets into place on the motor bracket, like so. And then next you're going to assemble them to the motor, and note the direction of the cables compared to the motor bracket so you have the right orientation. And just place that on. Line up your shoulder screws. Put them in by hand to start. Once you got all 4 on, you want to grab your 5/64 wrench and tighten the screws. And that's step 3.